Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming power and mechanical safety. First, make sure the mains breaker is off while you secure the yoke and attach the safety cable. This prevents drops. Next, install the correct lamp for the fixture and verify its rated voltage so you do not damage the bulb. Once done, connect the control cable, DMX or manual, and set the address or mode. You'll feel confident moving forward when the unit is mechanically sound and the control link is established. You'll warm the lamp for 5 to 10 minutes to stabilize output before fine focus. This avoids chasing a moving hotspot. Then, adjust the iris for aperture, use internal shutters to shape the beam, and tweak the lens or zoom to set beam angle while observing pan and tilt limits to avoid cable strain. After physical shaping, program basic cues in the console or set manual trims for intensity and color. Make sure transitions are smooth by previewing each cue at performance levels. You complete the operation by running a full system check. Cycle power, verify control responsiveness, and exercise pan/tilt and dimming through expected ranges. If you encounter flicker or unstable output, immediately power down, let the lamp cool, then reseat the lamp and inspect the ballast and connectors for loose pins. Measure incoming voltage to rule out supply issues. Finally, log runtime and lamp hours so you replace bulbs proactively. This prevents surprises during shows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.